All right, the Desin store sent over to me this set of 10 nylon bristle cleaning brushes, and I'm gonna do a short video to give you an up-close look on what they look like. And the size ranges from 1/16 to 1 inch. There's 10 of them. They come on a keychain. This is flexible and it's steel. The bristles are nylon. They're firm, but they're soft and they're not scratchy. I can scratch myself all day with them and it's not gonna cut me up. So they're firm, but they're still soft. There's this little cap, a protection cap on all of them for if you're sticking them in like some type of a tubing and you're cleaning that out so it's not scratching the bottom with the steel. They're multi-purpose, so you could use them for a variety of different things around the house. Let me show you a quick example. I got a fan here and they just easily go right in there and they will clean all that out all the way to the end even. And this is the 1 inch piece. So there's different sizes too you can use if you need them. But this 1 inch piece would work totally fine on this whole thing. And soft, flexible. So they come on this keychain. You can keep them all together. You can take them off. It's nice to have that way. When you store them, you can just put them all back on the keychain and put them in your storage area. They're nice little bristles. Hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a great day.